In this lesson, I will explain to you three things regarding MS Word. The first is to zoom page width. Second is paragraph mark or non-printing character. And third is the check spelling error. So we will discuss first to zoom page width, the first one, right? What does it mean? So for this, click the page width button, view tab, zoom group. So I told you this in the first lesson that these are called the tabs and these are the commands or ribbons. So open tab view, this is view, right? And these are the different commands. So this one is the zoom group. We are working here, zoom group, and you can see the light line here and here. It means this is one group. Similarly, from here to here, one group. So we are working here. One by one, we will discuss all these commands, but today we are working here zoom and page width, right? Click on the page width. To display the page the same width as the document window. This is our document window and it has now the same width as the document window. If you do not want this, you want again 100%, so click here. This is the 100%. Zoom in and zoom out, and this one again is the zoom. If suppose you want to make it 75%, click here and OK. So now your magnification is 75%. Again, if you want 100%, click here. 100% by default you will find here, but rest of the percentages, this is 275, or if you do not want from here, you want from here, so you can increase or decrease, or you can write down from here as well. Suppose if I will write down 100 and you can see the preview here. So this is the 100, right? So in this lesson, the first thing is to zoom page width, and first of all you have to go to the view tab, from view page width and this, and if you do not want, come back, right? Second is the paragraph mark non-printing characters. What does it mean? Paragraph mark you will find out from the home tab. This is the home tab, and this one from where, which group? It is in the paragraph group. In the paragraph group you will find out the paragraph mark. So this is the paragraph mark, and you will see the dot between each words, right? It means that raised dot between each word indicates a space bar has been pressed. A space bar has been pressed one time. Sometimes it happens that by mistake you press two times space bar. Then you can see two dots here. It means something is wrong, right? If suppose it is not highlighted, you are working here, so here you can see what is wrong. Here is one space, here is one space, that is fine, but here is two spaces. That is why we on the paragraph mark. It shows us that a space bar has been pressed one time, right? And it is also called the non-printing character. What does it mean? It means that if it is on, and if you want to take a printout of your document, it will not print on your hard copy. It is called the non-printing character. And the third one is check spelling error. What does it mean? It means suppose if I am writing, suppose if I want to write down by bartender and by mistake I forget E here. So the red wavy line will come up here, and this is called the flag word. If you want to correct this flag word, you have to right click and then you will see the different spellings, right? You can click outside the shortcut menu to close the shortcut menu and then retype the correct word if your word is not available in this list. So click here and delete it and write down it again. One more time, or if you want it, suppose this one, bartender will come up here with the correct spelling. If suppose you want this spelling, suppose you think that this is the right spelling or you want this word, so you can click ignore all or you can click add to dictionary. It means whenever you will write down second time bartender with this spelling, this word, this spelling is added in your dictionary, so the red wavy line will not appear on your document. I hope these 3 points are clear. If still you have any question, you can write down in the comments section. I will try my best to answer it. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, Saima Academy, and thanks for watching it.